Good morning students. Today in English class we will do write the before letters. Let's start. Write the before letters. Today we will do write the before letters. Here some alphabets are given. You have to write the before alphabet of the given alphabet. And remember one thing students, when the alphabet given in small letter, you have to write the answer also in small letter. And when the alphabet is written in capital letter, you have to write the answer in capital letter. So let's start from here. Here small b is given. We know that a comes before b. So we will write here small a as b is written in small letter. So we will write small a in the middle line. We will write small a in the middle line. A, B. Next, here small f is written. We know that E comes before F. So we will write here small e in the middle line. E, F. Next here capital J is written. We know that I comes before J. So we will write here capital I as the given alphabet is written in capital letter. And we will write capital I from upper line to middle line. I, J. Next here capital N is written. We know that M comes before N. So we will write here capital M from upper line to middle line. Like this. M, N. Now here small p is written. We know that O comes before P. So we will write here small o in the middle line. O, P. Now here small t is given. We know that S come before T. So we will write here small s in the middle line. We will write here it as small letter as the given alphabet is written in small letter. Now the next one, here capital W is given. We know that V comes before W. So we will write here capital V from upper line to middle line. V, W. Next, now the last one. Here capital Y is given. We know that X comes before Y. So we will write here capital X from upper line to middle line. Practice this at home. Write it down in your English copy and do homework. Thank you.